Plant FAQs. Euryops pectinatus. All about Euryops pectinatus, the year-round bloomer. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Euryops pectinatus, also known as the gray-leaved Euryops or golden shrub daisy. This South African native has become a popular garden choice due to its stunning looks and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your plant parenthood journey, Euryops pectinatus might be the perfect addition to your outdoor space. Let's answer some of the most common questions about this sun-loving shrub. What is Euryops pectinatus? Euryops pectinatus is an evergreen shrub belonging to the Asteraceae family, the same family as daisies and sunflowers. It's native to the rocky slopes of the Western Cape in South Africa, bringing a touch of South African flair to gardens worldwide. What does Euryops pectinatus look like? The first thing that grabs your attention with Euryops pectinatus is its foliage. The leaves are a soft, silvery green, with a slightly hairy texture. They're finely divided, resembling a fern in some ways. This fern-like quality is where the species name, Pectinatus, comes from, derived from the Latin word for comb. The star of the show, though, are the flowers. Euryops pectinatus boasts bright yellow, daisy-like blooms that appear throughout the year. In mild climates, you can expect a near-constant display of these cheerful flowers, adding a pop of color to your garden. How big does Euryops pectinatus get? Euryops pectinatus is a relatively compact shrub, typically reaching a height and width of around 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet. This makes it a great choice for smaller gardens or planting in containers. Its manageable size also means less maintenance for you. Sun or shade. Where does Euryops pectinatus thrive? Euryops pectinatus is a sun worshiper. It prefers a location bathed in full sun for most of the day. This allows it to produce the most flowers and maintain its vibrant foliage. While it can tolerate some shade, you might see fewer blooms and less vigorous growth. Watering Euryops pectinatus. Finding the balance. Euryops pectinatus is a drought-tolerant plant, meaning it doesn't need constant watering. In fact, overwatering can be detrimental. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. During hot, dry periods, you might need to water more frequently, but always be mindful of drainage. What kind of soil does Euryops pectinatus need? Well-drained soil is key for Euryops pectinatus. It doesn't like soggy conditions, so ensure the soil allows water to drain freely. Amending your soil with sand or perlite can improve drainage if needed. In terms of fertility, Euryops pectinatus isn't fussy. It can thrive in moderately fertile soil. Does Euryops pectinatus need fertilizer? Euryops pectinatus is a low-maintenance plant and doesn't require regular fertilization. A light application of slow-release fertilizer in spring can be beneficial, but it's not essential. Pruning Euryops pectinatus, keeping it in shape. Euryops pectinatus is a naturally well-behaved shrub, but occasional pruning can help maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. You can prune lightly after flowering or in late winter to remove any dead or leggy growth. Euryops pectinatus versus other shrubs. How does it compare? Here's a quick comparison of Euryops pectinatus with other popular shrubs. Lavender, Lavandula both are sun-loving, drought-tolerant shrubs with fragrant flowers. However, lavender offers fragrant foliage as well and prefers slightly more alkaline soil. Butterfly bush, Buddleia davidii both are known for attracting butterflies, but butterfly bush requires more water and prefers richer soil. Rose. Rosa roses offer a wider variety of colors and fragrances, but demand more maintenance in terms of watering, pruning, and pest control. Is Euryops pectinatus easy to grow? Absolutely. Euryops pectinatus is a low-maintenance plant that's perfect for beginner gardeners. Its drought tolerance, minimal pest and disease issues, and long flowering season make it a rewarding addition to any garden. Where can I buy Euryops pectinatus? You can find Euryops pectinatus at many nurseries and garden centers. It's also readily available online from reputable plant retailers. Conclusion: embrace the year-round blooms of Euryops pectinatus. With its silvery foliage, bright yellow flowers, and easygoing nature, Euryops pectinatus is a true gem for any garden. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that adds cheer and color throughout the year, Euryops pectinatus is a perfect choice. Its versatility allows you to plant it in borders, containers, or even xeriscapes, low-water landscapes. With a little planning and care, you can enjoy the beauty of Euryops pectinatus for years to come. Happy gardening!